how to fix Viber messages not sending. So if you're trying to send a message to someone and it's not sending, then I have a quick fixes for you that you can apply to fix the problem. So first of all, you'll have to make sure that the person that you're sending the message to has not blocked you. So you're not blocked on their account. So you have to make sure that you're not blocked. If you're blocked, then you won't be able to send any messages to them. The second problem is that you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection, or the minimum speed required to send Viber messages. So just make sure that your internet speed is stable. And the other thing to make sure is that your WhatsApp is up to date. So just open your Play Store app and search for Viber. If you have update option available here, you're just going to click on update and update the app. And in most cases, these should fix the problem. But if it still doesn't work, then you can try restarting your phone, because that also fixes the problem most of the time by restarting your phone. And if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is you are going to open your Viber's app info by long pressing it and go to app info, and make sure all of the permissions are turned on, because if it's not turned on, some of it might cause the problem that your message is not being sent. And once you make sure all of these permissions are turned on, then your problem should be fixed. And the final thing that you can do is go into the storage and clear cache. Sometimes these cache also causes the problem to that you're not able to send the message. And finally, you can clear data and clear the entire data, but make sure you have to note that once you clear your data, you will be logged out of your Viber. And after you clear all of your data, make sure to turn on all these permissions once again, because once you clear it, all of these will turn off by default. So after doing all of that, your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.